Hey you guys, my name is Cindy and I'm going to be working on my 83 Camaro today.
So this is the current steering wheel that it has on, and then I'm going to be installing this one along with the billet aluminum adapter. I was able to find the correct bolt size, and now I'm just going to unbolt the steering wheel. Alright guys, so this is how the steering wheel turned out. I actually really like it. It's also a quick release, as you can. And then I'm only going to have this steering wheel for the meantime until I upgrade to a better one.